Hi guys, today we're going to be opening my very first own phone. It's a Redmi A2 Plus phone. So guys, let's open the box. So we're going to open it like this. So first we got the phone. It's a Redmi A2 and it's blue colored. Let's see what else is in here. So we got this box. There is the charger in here because I can't really get it out. And what? It's a warranty card and also a Redmi A2 quick start guide. And that's all. And this is for the cable for the phone, and this is a charging point. And so let's take the plastic off. Okay, right. Oh wait, I got it. We're gonna carefully take the phone out. So today we're going to be switching on the phone for the first time. First, I'm going to show you some stuff on the phone. So first, this is the front camera. And this is the big camera on the back. The case is the blue. And also, these are the buttons. This is the switch on and switch off button. This is the volume button. So this is the screen protector, came from the factory. So I'm just going to peel the thing off, okay? So guys, let's take off the thing. So look at the phone, it's nice. Let's turn on the phone for the first time. This is the hello screen. The language is English. So let's start. This lets you choose your region. It's on Australian, so let's go to the next one. This is the terms and conditions. I'm going to agree with all of them and move on to the next one. We'll now put the SIM card in. This is the SIM card. This is the SIM slot. I'm going to open it with this pin. I opened it. So now we're going to take out this. And take out. It's coming out. This is the SIM slot. This is the SIM, so we're going to now break it. So I took out the SIM this is the SIM card. So now we're going to put it in here. So I put the SIM in with the help of my dad. So now I'm going to slide this in. Now the phone is on. So now we're going to go to the next one. So I'm going to get my dad to help me connect to a wireless, so Wi-Fi. So this is a copy apps and data screen, but I don't want to do that, so I'm just going to say don't copy. Let me connect to my Google account with the help of my parents. I have set the count now. It says getting next step ready. I'm going to review the apps. I'm going to set the family link with the help from my dad. Everything is done now. Now we can use the phone. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like and subscribe. Bye-bye.